In this video, we'll examine how to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop. It's worth noting that new documents are sometimes referred to as new canvases or new artboards, but Photoshop refers to them specifically as documents. We'll go up to File and choose New to create a new document in Photoshop. You'll notice a number of the recent size documents I've created in the past are listed below, and we have the options up here for some presets in photo, print, illustration, web, and more. So when we take a look at the options we have to create a custom document, the first first thing to take a look at and to set would be the units of measurement. You'll notice we have pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and picas. For what we do in this class, we'll primarily use pixels when we're creating things we hope to publish on the web, or inches when we're creating things that we intend to print. For the sake of this first example, I'll create a pixel document. So we select the unit of measurement first, and then go ahead and choose our width and our height. Currently, the resolution is set to 300, which is very nice. It's a little high for what we're doing generally when we're working with pixels, so I'll just bring that down to 150 and hit Create. This creates an 800 by 800 pixel square with a resolution of 150. I can go over here and find the paint bucket, which sometimes lives next to the gradient tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tools down, and choose a color swatch of red and paint it red. Let's also create a canvas that we might use to print. I'll go to File, New, and this time, rather than create a document measured in pixels, I'll create one measured in inches. So rather than pixels, I'll select inches, and I'm going to choose 8 by 10. Many of the photography events that we take part in require 8 by 10 inch photographs. So it's necessary, after we're done editing our photographs, that we bring the photo to an 8 by 10 inch image. In this case, I would set the resolution higher from 150 to 300 to make sure we have a nice, crisp, detailed print when we print this photograph. So I've set it to inches, the unit of measurement, the width to 8, and the height to 10 with a resolution of 300. And here we have the document or canvas that we would use to place that photograph in. Over here, to highlight this, we could use the paint bucket again, and I'll paint this one yellow. So here was our pixeled canvas. Here was our canvas or document in inches. They don't really look different, but they do have different properties. Their size and resolution is different. One last extra here. If we wanted this canvas or this document to be rotated so that it was landscape and we didn't want to recreate it, we could go to Image, Image Rotation, and we could rotate the canvas 90 degrees clockwise if we wanted to put the photograph in this canvas that way. This has been a brief tutorial, exercise, explanation on how to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop.